Fresh eggs are collected by hand with careful handling to avoid cracks. Each egg goes through an initial check to ensure only clean, intact shells proceed. The collected eggs are packed into cushioned crates and brought to the processing facility. The short transport ensures each egg arrives fresh and temperature stable.
Once the eggs arrive, strict hygiene protocols take over inside the plant.
Crates are unloaded into the receiving bay, where processing begins immediately.
Soft conveyors transfer the eggs into the intake room with minimal impact.
Before washing, inspectors look for any surface defects or handling damage.
A gentle pre-rinse removes loose dirt and prepares the eggs for full cleaning.
In this stage, soft brushes carefully scrub the shells without damaging them.
Warm, filtered air gently dries the shells before grading begins.
Angeles. Utilizing advanced optical sensors, the system scans each egg for size and defects. This precision technology
Automated dividers separate the eggs by size to prepare for deeper inspection.
Any cracked eggs are removed instantly to maintain high quality in the final batches.
Next, a high-precision scanner measures each egg's exact weight for accurate grading.
Robotic arms separate eggs by weight, guiding them gently into their proper lanes. Acoustic sensors detect hairline fractures long before they're visible.
Human inspectors remove any eggs flagged by the machines for additional checks.
UV lighting reveals micro cracks and imperfections invisible under normal light. High-speed cameras analyze shell cleanliness to maintain strict hygiene standards.
The eggs are then separated into final quality grades based on overall condition.
The best quality eggs continue toward the packaging and labeling stage. In this station, flat sheets are pressed into strong, molded cartons ready for packing.
Technicians inspect each carton by hand to ensure structural strength.
Empty cartons move forward, perfectly aligned for loading. Here at the facility, every egg is handled with the utmost care. Our synchronized robotic systems ensure
Human oversight ensures every carton holds eggs securely before closing.
A vibration table makes sure every egg sits level and aligned.
From here, the cartons move toward the closing and sealing line.
Manual checks verify that each carton's lid closes smoothly and stays secure.
The filled cartons travel toward the labeling station for final identification. A high-speed applicator places clean brand labels onto every carton.
Technicians verify that each label sits flat and correctly aligned.
A digital printer marks every carton with its production date and batch code. A seal check station makes sure every carton is securely closed. Any misaligned lids are corrected by hand to maintain packaging standards.
The final surface inspection light tunnel. Utilizing intense cool white LEDs and rapid high-resolution imaging.
Here at the rejoining station, precision is everything. Our grade A eggs move seamlessly towards final packaging.
With labeling complete, the cartons move to the secondary packaging section.
Next, the cartons enter the shrink wrap line, where protective film is applied.
A controlled heat tunnel shrinks the film, forming a tight, protective wrap. The shrink-wrapped packs now move toward bulk boxing for shipping. An automatic case erector builds strong shipping boxes at high speed. Robotic pushers load each case neatly, maximizing protection and stability.
Robotic arms load each shipping case with shrink-wrapped egg bundles, keeping every egg protected during transport.
Cushion pads are added by hand to keep the egg bundles stable during shipping.
A case sealer applies strong tape, securing every egg shipping box for handling.
Barcodes are scanned to confirm each egg box is correctly labeled and fully traceable. The sealed egg boxes enter the palletizing area, where large pallets will be prepared for cold storage.
A robotic palletizer arranges each egg shipping box with exact precision.
Technicians ensure the base layer is level, giving the pallet a stable foundation.
Multiple layers of egg boxes are stacked securely to maximize storage efficiency. A stretch wrap machine secures the entire stack with strong protective film. The film tightens around each layer, preventing any shifting during transport. Each pallet receives a tracking label, ensuring full traceability from farm to store. A forklift operator lifts the pallet carefully to avoid vibration while moving eggs. Technicians constantly monitor temperature and humidity to keep eggs stable. Rows of secured egg pallets are arranged for quick retrieval during distribution. Before shipping, every egg pallet is scanned and added to the dispatch queue. Securing bars lock the pallet into place to prevent shifting on the road. Once secured, the refrigerated truck begins its route toward distribution points. Freshly processed eggs travel safely to regional warehouses and retail centers. Each pallet is scanned and logged to begin the warehouse intake process.
Egg boxes are separated into smaller carts based on retail destinations.
Make sure the labels are all facing up.
Got it. Are these the 18 counts for store 5?
Yes, stack them right here.
Egg cartons are loaded into smaller refrigerated vans for final delivery. The vans depart for local markets, delivering fresh eggs to nearby stores. The eggs are moved into the store's backroom for quick stocking. Store staff inspect each carton one more time before it reaches the shelves. The cartons are stocked neatly into chilled shelves for customers.
A fully stocked egg section is now ready for shoppers throughout the day.
Store managers update digital systems to confirm the eggs have arrived on time.
The delivery van returns to prepare for the next day's supply run.
From farm to factory to store shelves, every step keeps eggs fresh and safe.
This is how everyday eggs make their journey to your kitchen. Thanks for watching.